Hi friends, Namaskar dosto. Welcome back to my cooking vlog once again. Today we are making a spicy and crispy tawa fish fry. Perfectly pan fried and full of bold Indian flavors as well. You can prepare this tawa fish fry at home with simple ingredients and authentic flavors. This pan fried fish recipe is packed with flavorful spices and is super easy to make, perfect for lunch, dinner, or a special weekend meal. So, if you want to make your food special and look appealing to your guests, you can try this tawa fish fry. Easy to make, super easy to make, I should say, and flavorful, tasty, delicious. So let's get started. Here I have taken fresh rohu fish and I have marinated it in turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt and 1 tablespoon raw mustard oil. Allow it to rest for 20 minutes. Here I have prepared another paste. It contains mustard seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, dry red chilies and salt to taste. Apply the paste on both sides of the fish fillets and coat it well. You can use a spoon or fork to do so. Otherwise, if you feel good, you can use your hands too. So apply the marination on both sides very well, because this is the real trick. And if you will coat the fish well, then it will enhance the flavor and you will get super crispy tawa fish fry. Now I would like to request my viewers on Facebook, if you watch my videos on Facebook and if you haven't followed my page yet, then I would request you to do so as soon as possible. And all my viewers who watch me or my videos on YouTube, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel till now, I would request you to do the same. And thanks for watching my videos. Thanks a lot for your precious love and support. And now, as you can see, I coated the fish evenly on both sides, and now let it marinate for at least 30 minutes for that deep delicious flavors. Just keep this aside for 30 minutes. And now for that extra crispiness, we need to take some more ingredients. I've taken here rice flour 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder half tablespoon, salt to taste, and then 1/4 tablespoon I'm adding here Kashmiri red chili powder for that vibrant and red color. So mix all the ingredients together, and now the fish was on rest for 30 minutes, and now here you need to coat the fish in this dry mixture for that extra crispiness here. So just take the fish fillet and coat it in this dry mixture as well. So flip the sides, coat it well, and make sure that all the sides are coated evenly in this dry mixture. If you cannot handle it with fork or spoon, you can use your hands as well. Just wash your hands and coat the fish in this mixture and on the sides as well. So as you can see now, the fish is perfectly coated in this mixture and just ready to go for frying. So just repeat the same process for all the fish fillet that you are using, and after this we do not need any elaborate process. Just the fish will go for deep frying in oil. And whenever you are using oil in this recipe, remember to use mustard oil, because it adds on flavors as well. So here, as you can see, I've coated all the fish fillets nicely, just good to go. And now switch on the gas and keep an iron tawa, or you can also use a pan for frying the fish. So here I am adding mustard oil to a tawa here. Make sure that the oil is piping hot, and here I am adding the fish fillets one by one. Do not overcrowd the tawa, otherwise the fish can break easily, as the fish is fresh. So one by one I have added all the fish fillets here. Disturb the fish fillets at once, as the fish is very fresh, it can break. So handle the fish pieces very gently and allow it to cook on one side for at least a minute before flipping. So I have let it cook for a minute on one side. As you can see, the fish is cooked on one side, and now very gently with the help of spatula you can flip it here, and here I am flipping all the pieces one by one. So continuously you have to flip the fish pieces one by one, and it will take at least 5 to 7 minutes for the fish pieces to get completely cooked. So make sure to cook the fish pieces for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until you see that the fish fillets are golden brown and crispy. So just look how irresistible it is, isn't it? Look at that bright golden color as well. And if you feel that the oil is little less, you can add in a little oil, a tablespoon or so. It won't cause any problem. So here I have added 1 tablespoon oil, as I had taken very little oil. So here once again I would just flip the fish pieces one by one for that extra crispiness, and just be a little patient, be a little gentle here in handling the fish pieces, and you will get superb results as well. So the fish pieces are almost done here, and we do not need to cook on any further here. Doesn't it look tempting? Yes. So now the fish fillets are ready. So just remove the fish from the tawa and place it on a paper towel to absorb that extra oil. And for garnishing we will need some onion rings, lemon wedges and fresh coriander. As you can see, I have garnished the fish fillets with onion rings, lemon wedges and fresh coriander. So as you wish, you can garnish your fish and just serve it on a platter and enjoy with your friends, your family, and just surprise them with your unique and simple style cooking. So wasn't this very simple and very delicious? If it was, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and follow for more easy and delicious recipes every week. Just 2 tips here: marinate the fish for at least 30 minutes for that deep delicious flavor, and use a heavy bottom pan or iron tawa for the best crust. So here I would request all of you to keep in touch till my next video, and thanks to all of you for your precious love and support. Thanks for watching my videos.